Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to make something very special. So you're going to need these types of fabric. You need 3 colors to make this project. You need blue, pink and black, but any colors are okay. You also need the following: stuffing, pins and needle, ruler, pencil, scissors, and some papers for making your patterns. Draw an umbrella shape and cut. Okay, take your pattern and take your felt fabric. Any color is okay, but I'm using pink. And here I thought it should be easier to cut first, but I realized it's more difficult, so I'm not going to cut this part. I'll cut it after I put it on my fabric. Okay, it's done. Remove pins. Okay, take your umbrella shape. Take thread and needle, pink thread, and thread your needle. And start sewing like this. Okay, like that. Okay, so do this from here right round and leave a small space here. Do not sew here. Okay, it's sewn right round here. So now take your stuffing and insert. Okay, it's done. So now close up. Okay, it's done. Draw a handle like this one and then transfer the pattern on your black felt fabric. As always, your fabric should be on fold. So like this is the longer part. Here, put your pattern, pin and cut. Okay, remove the pattern. Take your needle and thread and sew from here. As you sew, insert your stuffing to make it easier for you because this is very thin and narrow. So take your stuffing and insert. And then sew. In and sew. Push and sew. Now the stick is done, so go ahead and attach it here, right at the middle, and sew. The umbrella is almost done, so here, if you want, but it's optional, you can put something like this here to make it look like a real umbrella, like this. So I'm going to sew this here. The umbrella is done. Put this aside. Draw a raindrop. Take blue felt, put this on, fold, pin and cut. Okay, it's on up to here, so now open here and insert. Okay, close up here, and the raindrop is done. I made other small raindrops, so now let's go and decorate the room. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Mite kurete arigato. Bye.